Check out this new listing on Lake Thunderbird. It's got a perfect location to view the lake or get out and swim and boat in it. Not only is there a great outdoor spot at the lake, there's also this deck on the main level to enjoy. There's hardwood floor in this dining room with a fireplace. As well as an updated kitchen with stainless steel appliances. Lots of cabinet storage. There's one bedroom on the main level with a private half bath. Also a perfect window seat to enjoy bird watching in the tree outside the window. Plenty of storage in this walk-in closet. Tiled foyer. Is it foyer or foyer? I don't know. Large living room to entertain or just sit and enjoy the view. You have a front coat closet, or you have this entryway off the garage to store your coats and shoes. You have a 2-car garage plus a larger overhead door for an RV if you have, or something else that might be really tall, as well as storage above the main garage since it doesn't have to be as tall. There is a side door here, so you can access it while you're doing your yard work. Upstairs, you'll find a large primary bedroom with a great view of the water with all those big, tall windows. The primary bathroom has a soaking tub, drawers, storage, cabinets, separate water closet, double sinks, plus a separate shower, as well as more storage here, and easy access to your laundry, as well as your water heater and heater on this level. There's a secondary bedroom on this level as well. With another walk-in closet and storage areas. On the lower level, you'll find a tiled family room with tons of space. Also great views of the water. There's some storage under the stairs. There's another room here that could be used as a playroom, office, sewing room, lots of opportunities to make it your own. There is a 3/4 bath on this level, as well as access to your other heat and air. As well as your sauna, plus utility sink, water softener. And there's also this storage area for all your lake toys or even your yard toys if you fill up the garage. And you also have a patio on this level to enjoy the outside as well.